All right, multiple choice practice exam number 11. You have to have memorized that when y is given as a function of x, the curve's arc length from x equals a to b is this formula. That needs to be memorized. Let's apply it to number 11 then. So the arc length for y's curve is this definite integral of the square root of 1 plus the derivative of y's curve, which is f prime, squared dx. All right, what's the derivative of the square root of x? Using the power rule, it's just that. We need to square it. And when we square that, we have the square root of 1 plus 1 over 4x on the outside of the square root sign, dx. And I believe this is the answer. Answer choice, let's see, which one? Answer E. All right, for number 10, a no calculator problem. We need to be able to graph vertical and horizontal lines and know that exponentials look like this green curve, and when x is 0, it's equal to 1, it crosses the y-axis at 1. This is the region. Next step, make your representative rectangle, man. Make that representative rectangle so we know that the width of the rectangle is dx, and the height of the rectangle is the y value minus this y value. The y value of the green curve minus the y value of the red curve. Remember, if you were 18 and I'm 55, the distance between us is 55 minus 18, or 37. So the height of the rectangle is the green y value minus the red y value. Area of that rectangle is length times width. So we're going to accumulate all these rectangles as they get infinitely skinny. The area of this region is accumulating rectangles as x goes from 0 to 1. The width of the rectangles is dx, and the height of the rectangles is the green y value minus the red y value. This is the area of the region in question. Let's go ahead and do that without a calculator. Pretty simple antidifferentiation. And now, using the first fundamental theorem of calculus, we'll evaluate the antiderivative of 1 and at 0 and subtract the 2. So we have e squared over 2 minus 1 minus 1/2 e to the 0, which is just 1/2 times 1, minus 0. All right, we're pretty much done here. It doesn't match any of the answer choices yet, but if we get common denominators, it will. So we have e squared over 2 minus 1, which is 2 over 2, and then minus 1 over 2. So we have e squared minus 2 minus 1 all over 2, or the answer e squared minus 3 over 2.